Jason here at Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, $10 oil changes, and now we buy your Rams. I'm going to show you this beautiful 2018 Laramie that we just took in on trade. It's granite crystal metallic, and as you can see on the side, it does have the Cummins turbo diesel on it, the night edition badging on it, so it doesn't have any chrome or anything like that on the truck as well. If we walk just to the back here, Rams did a nice thing on the quick fill up here. So your DF is inside the compartment here. You have your quick fill in the back here as well. Again, paint to match, so your moldings and everything are paint to match on the truck. Night edition, so it gives you the 22-inch wheels on this. This does have off-road AT tires on the truck as well. The black tube steps that will go with the truck, again, they're Ram quality product right from Ram there as well. Paint, color key matched bumpers and also trims here. Point out the trailer tow mirrors on this vehicle as well, so if you need to tow a vehicle, you can simply pop these up or pop them down depending on what your application's for, and they will also break away here. So if you get into a position where you're parking tight or something like that, you don't have to worry about wrecking the mirror or anything like that. Again, the color keyed match bumpers here, ABS brakes in the front, and again, if you have a good look at the truck here, not a lot of chrome on the truck, which is a real benefit these days. Lexan halogen headlights on the front of this truck, so very good, very durable. Front impact collision in the front of this truck as well. Tow hooks on the front here. But I like to point out, always when you're looking at a used truck here, if you look at the wear and tear on these tow hooks, you can see that it hasn't been pulled out. There's no marks on it as well. Black insert here as well. Black badging on the truck. I'll pop this up here for you. Inside, the tried and true Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel motor. The one thing they've done really nicely for the people there that don't have a lot of experience underneath the hood here, if you look at the components here, anything that you're going to be servicing or maintaining or marked in yellow. So you simply just look for the yellow highlighted spots here as far as that goes. The other thing they've done too, you have adjustable headlights in here, a breakaway motor. So what's going to happen here if you get into a front end collision, the motor is actually going to go underneath the vehicle as opposed to coming in and crushing you inside the vehicle. This has the automatic transmission here, so we'll just kind of come to the side here, guys. Again, your black badging on the truck. We'll open this up really quickly here. This one's got the black on black interior in there, the Laramie leather, really nice package there. Again, a crew cab truck here. Lots of leg room in the back there, so a lot of people are opting for trucks as opposed to cars. So if you do hit a moose or a deer or something like that, you have the protection in it. Top bed rail caps on the back of the truck as well. Back you have your trailer receiver here, your insert, 4-pin, 7-pin wiring, backup camera, factory installed bed liner in this truck as well for you. So it's basically set up either way you want to go, fifth wheel or gooseneck. It's got the fifth wheel prep package in this truck as well. So inside this Laramie, guys, what I like about it has an optimum stereo system in it. It has the Alpine right from factory on this, so you got good surround all the way around this vehicle as well. It's black on black interior here. They did a nice job. Ram's been noted for their interiors for quite some time. So the black dual power seats on both sides. You got power there, power here. If you look up front here really quickly, you've got your auxiliary switches here, your Jake brake in there, your park sensors on the front and back of this, trailer tow mode, which is great, and also the brake control right from factory, so you don't have to go out and spend money on that sort of stuff. The other features and benefits, again, the power driver seat, the shift on the fly four-wheel drive system, the push button start on it, really nice. You don't have to fumble around with keys and that sort of stuff. Cruise control, your adjustments on the steering wheel, so when you're driving, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to adjust the volume or change channels on this thing. So very comfortable, and again, the Cummins purrs like a kitten on this thing, so you can tow what you want with it. And then when you know it's a nice beautiful Alberta day like this, you've got the moonroof here, the sunroof, you can crack that open if you like, or shut it, whatever works best for yourself. So in the back of the Laramie, again, guys, leg space is always really good in these trucks. Another critical thing, the people in the back have the same creatures and comforts as the people in the front by offering heated seats in the back of this truck. And then if you need the extra space, the thing I like about it, the seats flip up here for you. And again, going along with that Alpine stereo system, you get the subwoofer in the back here, so you get good bass throughout the vehicle with it. Fold down cup holders here for the people in the back, so it makes having that really good. 60-40 split bench, so if you need the space, if you got the dog on one side and the kid on the other, or vice versa, you can flip that up. And then the cargo system there, so it lays everything flat. One of my best things I like about the Ram product, these little compartments back here, Flip those up. You can put your road pops in there. You put your ice in there. When you're done with them, you dump the ice, or you can put a sandwich in there. So again, guys, very nice truck, easy to get along with, lots of creatures and comforts in here. So Redwater Dodge is located a short 35-minute drive north of the city. It's very easy to get to. We're a family-owned business. We treat you like family. So give us a call at 780-942-3629 and join the team down here at Redwater Dodge.